know how to intro this or how to explain it, but what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have read your comments, I have read your emails, and I got you, girl. I got you. You've been wanting me to create for you winter, fall shoes. You've been wanting me to create for you sparkly, beautiful heels. Well, I have heard you loud and clear, and now I have it here for you. I've always wanted to create a fall winter collection that is highly engaging, where we can really wear these pieces with everything in our closet, that everything matches with neutral colors, with denim, with black, with leathers, with suedes, with all these really beautiful chunky knits and layering that we wear during these months. This is literally my most favorite season of the entire year, but I also always found myself wanting shoes in fall winter collections tend to be more expensive because you have boots and you have the holidays and you have Christmas and you have all this glitz and glam. I wanted to be able to create a collection where it had all the best luxury materials, but I really wanted to make it accessible to everybody, and this is my dream collection. I have already produced these shoes, have already started being produced. I have pre-ordered them. I have made 30 pairs in each style, and it ranges from 35 to 43. So if you do the math, that's about 1 or 2 pairs per size. My purpose with this collection, like with every single collection that I make, is to make luxury accessible to everyone. Everything in the shoe is made by hand. The cutting of the leather, the stitching, putting the soles, the shoes together, and you're really getting a shoe that is going to last you a lifetime. You guys, I am so excited that we have the white backdrop again. This is where it all started. This is where all my fashion hauls started, and what I love about it is how simple it is and how raw. And at the end of the day, what I want to give you guys is always quality and not really necessarily like high-end production, because I'm gonna tell you something in all transparency. I have filmed this video. This is my 5th time. I got videographers, I went out, I filmed outside, and when I saw the final product, I just never liked it. And if you think about it, I am in Miami and it's 90 degrees and I am shooting fall outfits with like heavy cashmeres and wools. So by the time that I would like just come back in, I was already irritated, and like you could really see that through the video. I'm sitting down inside the car with AC blasted because what's the temperature outside? It is 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am wearing cashmere and wool. And I'm shooting these shoes, which are my winter nudes I love. Okay, we're ready to roll. I gotta go now, bye. So even though those videos have been edited, we have scrapped it, and I have gone back to my old ways, ta-ta, of asking my friends to come to the rescue when I have to do one of these launch videos. I have literally asked all my girlfriends to come and help me shoot this. So this has been not my effort, this has been a compound effort from everyone around me. Taking pictures, to take the pictures of the website, to help me film this video of myself. And I have asked my girlfriend Arina, which you guys are gonna see her now in a couple of different outfits. Hi Arina, so Arina is helping me shoot this look, and
hi guys.
Hi. I wanted to style the shoes on her with different outfits of how I would wear it in the fall, and I really wanted her opinion because she lives in New York. It's a cold place, and let's be honest, I'm in Miami right now, but that's going to change soon because I'm leaving to Europe in a week. All the shoes I'm going to show you, like I just mentioned, are in size 35 to size 43. I have a 30 pairs. I have produced for each one of these shoes, and so I thought it would be really helpful for you to see how it looks on someone else other than me and how it's styled. First thing I want to tell you, because I have never ever done a black pump in my collection, and this is the first time. You guys asked for it so many times and I heard you loud and clear. We have here the classic black pump, super pointy. Look at how pointy this point is, and it is designed for very cold places. It's made in suede. It also comes in leather. It's designed for anywhere really, but for cold weather, for me, I think it's going to be a game changer, because sometimes when it's cold and it's frozen the floor and I am walking, I'm like sliding, but not anymore, because ta-ta-ta-ta, this is the sole. I'm going to zoom you guys in, hopefully. Okay, let's put this light down a bit. Right, sole. We're looking at the same sole of your shoes that you have right now. Spomeggiato is a very soft suede, but game changer, rubber on the tip. So no more sliding in the ice, because I particularly slide all the time. I don't know how long you've been following me for, but when I lived in Norway, like I had to learn how to walk on ice, because I was always like half of the time on the floor. But now I know, and I'm a pro, and this is definitely a game changer. I want to tell you that right now with this current outfit I'm wearing, I am wearing, obviously this shoe looks completely used because I have used it a lot. I wanted to make sure that it was exactly how I wanted it. Super comfortable. It has a lot of padding right here in the inside and here in the bridge of the foot. So they are extremely comfortable. The heel on this one is the 70mm heel, and this is the one that I was wearing just now with this outfit I have on. This is the 105 heel. You guys, these shoes are bomb. I have already worn this out so many times, and I have tried and tested out. You're gonna love it. Next shoes we're gonna talk about are the Mules with Swarovski crystals. I love everything shiny. You know I love everything shiny. I just love sparkles. It's just super girly. And this is something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, but I just needed to find the right heel height, and I wanted them to be super comfortable. These Mules, you guys, look amazing. One, but two, they are so comfortable. These are my favorite three colors. You guys know that Kelly green is the color of the season. There is one more style of the Mules with the crystal buckle that I don't have here, but I'm gonna pop the picture in the screen, and it's with velvet. You guys, I love velvet, especially if I am like in really cold winter places like in Norway or like in Canada or in New York. Wow, in the colder months, you put on a velvet mule with some crystals on it, some leather leggings, a chunky sweater, and an oversized coat, and it looks incredible. Next up, we have Mules. Mules are a game changer, and these are the Mules with the traditional buckle. They come on earthy tones, literally a pair of almond color Mules and gray color Mules are going to take you a long way, because you can wear them with so many different outfits. And the reason why I had this shoe made is because I have all my outfits already planned for the fall and the winter, and I was missing these colors. This next pump, which is the Praline Suede, that is literally, this is my favorite color on earth. I love this color. That's why I had to make it in suede and in leather, in slingbacks and pumps. I love it because it's so flattering to all skin tones. It's such a rich color. This is a color that you only find like in Gianvito Rossi, or when Christian Louboutin launches a very special collection. Maybe in Manolo Blahnik you'll find it, but it's a really hard color to find. It's gorgeous. I wanted to really show you this shoe because normally when a shoe has a low heel and you put it on, it looks like an old lady shoe. It does. And it only has to do because of the lines on the shoe. This is what makes a shoe sexy, the way that these lines are cut. That's what makes Christian Louboutin sexy. Yes, it's a high heel, but it's the cut, how your leg looks at the end. So I want to show you on Arina's foot, even though this is a very comfortable 70mm heel, very low heel, it looks so beautiful. You can see her toe caps here. It's very, very pointy and elongated. And for her skin tone, look how beautiful it looks and how beautifully it blends. I think that this is a shoe that is perfect for the office. It's perfect for every day. You can wear it with jeans, leggings, pants, and it will always look beautiful. I'm going to have the pumps in the skin tone colors. I wanted to show you how these two are. This is the chocolate brown and this is the praline. I just personally really love this color. Especially it just goes beautifully with earthy tones. I have made some updates on the shoes, which is the padding inside now is considerably more than the paddings before. It has a lot of padding here and also in the bottom. You guys asked for it and I brought it back. The black ankle booty, pointed, beautiful, super comfortable, looks super classy. You can wear these with long skirts, you can wear these with pants. These are perfect for, you know, now we're gonna go back to the office. Your foot is super warm, it's made with Napa leather. Again, this boot will conform to the shape of your foot and you're gonna love it. They run true to size. But if you want to wear this with thick socks, just make sure that you size up because they are designed to be worn with like stockings and they run true to size. But if you're gonna throw on one of those white thick socks, you need to size up in order to have room for your foot to move. I have just received two very important things in these boxes. And I had not received this, so I was so nervous because I had not been able to show you. But we're gonna get to see this together. Are we ready? Okay, sip. Oh my God! Oh wow, this is game changer. This is so pretty, so beautiful. And this one, check it out. This one is in suede. The heel on this one is 55mm, which is basically like an inch and a half. Hello. For the other shoe, which is like a fabulous, sexy, wow. I think I'm just gonna try these on because they are spectacular. This next shoe I'm going to show you guys, it's really a milestone for me. It has been a dream to be able to have these shoes in my collection because it's a shoe that requires a lot of meticulous construction in order to look beautiful and to be extremely comfortable, and that is the boots. We are going to introduce now winter boots, and they're gonna be in suede and in leather. There are two styles that are so in season right now and I love them. And one is the knee-high boot, which is a little bit open around the calf, so it just literally makes your legs look incredibly skinny. I know that you're gonna love them, and I honestly hope that you have the opportunity to get the shoe that you like. I see you guys in my comment section, and I will leave the links down below right now to the website. I send you a big kiss and thank you so much for supporting me and giving me the opportunity to really do what I love the most. Thank you so much. Bye.